Hi everyone, I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Beth Dodson and I am with HomeZada. So always remember, please feel free to subscribe, and we will always post videos about home management and tips on how to use HomeZada. So we want to make you the best home manager you can be of your own home and finances. So one of the things I want to talk to you today is a maintenance calendar, but specifically a maintenance calendar around your smart home type of tech devices. I know some people categorize smart home tech as one thing, other people categorize it as something else. I'm going to let you know here right now what I categorize it as, and how you can use HomeZada to help you manage it a little bit better. So, smart home devices are things like carbon monoxide detectors, smoke detectors, water leak detection detectors. It is your thermostat uh, item. Thermostats. You may have one, you may have multiple. Sorry, I'm having trouble speaking today. It's funny how this thing happens. It's your Google Home or your Alexa. It's your remote control devices. It's all different kinds of devices that you actually have in your home that may require some level of battery operation. Yeah, you heard me say that. Yeah, some of these things require battery operation, and they require different types of batteries. It's really important that you actually check to make sure all of these devices are working frequently. Now, this is really easy when it comes to your remote controls because you're probably using them a little bit more frequently. And then once they stop working, you change the batteries. But it's also really important to check your carbon monoxide detectors, your thermostats, etc., because those batteries do run out. And in the case of a thermostat, it's really simple. You're just mismanaging your efficiency of your home and the heating and air of your home, and you get uncomfortable. And so it's really important to do that. But it's also important when it comes to carbon monoxide detector, because this could be life or death, and we want to prevent that. So one of the things we recommend inside HomeZada is that you actually track all of your smart home device updates, whether it's connections that you need to update the software, whether it's updates on the batteries, whatever the case may be. You just need to take care of these devices as you would your appliances and your equipment in your home as well. So, remembering the maintenance calendar and using this as a way to check all of these devices for their batteries, for their operation, and their actual usage is really, really, really important. So, I suggest you use HomeZada's maintenance calendar. You can set up individual maintenance tasks or recurring maintenance tasks to track this information about checking on these smart home devices. You can do it all in one and say, I want a smart home device check around my house. Or you can actually say it one by one. I'm going to do my smoke detector check. I'm going to do my thermostat check. And then I'm going to do my carbon monoxide check, and so on and so forth. So I encourage you to take a look at how HomeZada can work for you. Obviously, a lot of people have a lot of questions if they're confused by this video or anything else. I encourage you to comment below, and also to email us at info@homezada.com. And then if you have any other questions, you can also check out www.homezada.com. And we encourage you to take a look at what we offer in our product, because we do want to make you the best possible homeowner possible, so that it also protects you and also saves you money and time. So have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining, and I appreciate all your time.